Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Oster Pro 1200 Smoothie Blender with glass jar and 24-aughts to-go cup. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast or someone who needs a reliable kitchen companion for everything from crushing ice to blending up sauces, this blender promises to deliver. Let's dive into its features and see if it really holds up to the hype. The Oster Pro 1200 offers a combination of power, versatility, and durability. At its core, it's equipped with a 1200-watt motor that promises strong blending power, with 900 watts of that dedicated solely to ice crushing. This gives it a solid punch for tasks that demand more power, like making smoothies with frozen fruits or even crushing tougher ingredients. It's not just about power, though. The blender also features 7 speeds, including 3 pre-programmed settings tailored for the most common blender creations: smoothies, milkshakes, and salsas. The ability to switch between these modes means less guesswork and more consistency with your results. A standout feature here is the dual-direction blade technology. This essentially means the blades can rotate both forward and in reverse, ensuring even the toughest ingredients are blended smoothly. The extra-wide 3.5 inches blade system helps direct ingredients into the blade more effectively, which reduces the amount of time spent blending. It's particularly useful if you're trying to make quick work of thicker ingredients like nut butters or fibrous veggies. For real-world testing, I put the Oster Pro 1200 through its paces with various tasks. First, I blended a typical smoothie, using frozen fruits, yogurt, and some leafy greens. The result? A perfectly smooth, velvety texture with no chunks in sight. The blender's 1200-watt motor really comes to the forefront here. The smoothie was ready in under a minute, and the pulse feature gave me added control over the consistency, allowing me to adjust the blending as needed. Next, I tackled a batch of crushed ice, which is usually a real test for any blender. With the 900 watts of ice crushing power, the Oster breezed through it. The ice came out finely crushed, perfect for cocktails or a chilled summer drink. While it excelled in these areas, I did find that when blending thicker mixtures like nut butter, I needed to scrape down the sides a few times to ensure everything was blended thoroughly. As for the overall build, the Oster Pro 1200 comes with a durable Boroclass glass jar that can hold up to 6 cups of ingredients. This jar is dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. And importantly, it's designed to withstand thermal shock, meaning it won't crack under hot liquids. The blender also comes with a 24-aughts smoothie cup, which is a nice touch for those who prefer to take their smoothies on the go. While it's a convenient addition, I did find the cup could have been a bit more robust in design, especially considering the quality of the main jar. One of the things I love about the Oster Pro 1200 is its warranty. Oster backs this model with a 10-year Duralast all-metal drive limited warranty, which speaks to the product's long-term reliability. If you're concerned about longevity, this should offer some peace of mind, especially given the powerful motor and the stresses a blender like this can endure. When it comes to build quality, the Oster Pro 1200 feels solid. The all-metal drive ensures a smooth operation without the usual wear and tear you might experience with plastic gears. It's a robust, sturdy piece of equipment, and even though the motor's quite powerful, the noise level isn't unbearable. The design itself, with its brushed nickel finish, looks sleek and modern, adding a nice touch to any kitchen counter. As for value for money, the Oster Pro 1200 offers a lot of features for its price. It's not the cheapest blender on the market, but it competes well with other high-end blenders. The motor, dual-direction blade technology, and smart settings technology make it a solid choice for anyone looking for consistent, powerful performance. Compared to other premium blenders like those from Vitamix or Ninja, the Oster Pro 1200 holds its own, especially when you consider its competitive price point. It's not as expensive as some of the premium models, but still offers impressive results, which makes it a great choice for those seeking good performance without breaking the bank. When comparing it to other blenders in the same category, the Oster Pro 1200 does offer some unique features, like the dual-direction blade system and the larger blade size. The Ninja Professional, for example, offers a similarly powerful motor, but lacks the dual-direction blade technology, which could make a noticeable difference in smoother results. On the other hand, the Vitamix 5200 has the edge in terms of motor power and versatility, but it's priced considerably higher, making the Oster Pro 1200 a more budget-friendly option for those who still want excellent performance. One of the things I appreciate about the Oster Pro 1200 is its long-term durability. With the 10-year warranty, it's clear that Oster is confident in the product's ability to last. The all-metal drive contributes to this, as metal gears typically outlast their plastic counterparts. The glass jar is also a plus, less chance of scratching compared to plastic jars. And you don't have to worry about that lingering plastic taste that some cheaper blenders can impart on your smoothies. I did not need to contact customer support during my time with the blender, but Oster has a solid reputation in the kitchen appliance industry. Based on customer reviews and the brand's track record, you can expect responsive and helpful customer service should any issues arise. It's worth noting that the 10-year warranty adds an additional layer of confidence in the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction. To sum it all up, the Oster Pro 1200 Smoothie Blender is a solid contender in the blender market. It combines powerful performance with a practical, durable design and a great price point. The dual-direction blade technology and extra-large blade system help it stand out from the competition, while the all-metal drive ensures long-term reliability. It's particularly suited for those who want a blender that can handle a range of tasks, from smoothies to ice crushing, without having to invest in the highest-end models. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable blender that offers consistent results, the Oster Pro 1200 is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or already own the Oster Pro 1200, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Until next time, this is Reviews Inside TV, where we give you the inside scoop on all things kitchen appliances. Now, go blend something awesome.